Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a super delicious pizza recipe that I've tried for the first time, and I'm absolutely convinced it was so delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy watching this. You want to start out by cutting down your onions into very fine rings. Next, you want to also cut down your garlic into very thin little slices. Then you want to take your bell pepper and you want to remove the middle part and yeah, that was very easy. I actually thought it would be harder, but it worked really well. And you can just scrape out a little bit of the stuff you don't want, and then you want to go ahead and cut these into rings. And I thought using a red and a yellow one worked really well. It looked very pretty. Last but not least, you want to cut down your mozzarella cheese into small little bits. And then you're done with all the prep work. Now you want to go ahead and take a pan and you want to heat up some vegetable oil, and then you want to drop in your chicken. Now we used a vegetarian chicken, so this is soy, and you want to just fry that for a couple of minutes. We used a special seasoning, so it tastes more like chicken. You can season it the way you prefer, and just make sure that it is cooked. Then you want to take your pizza dough and roll it out. I do have a video for homemade pizza dough, which I will try to remember to link down below, so you can try it out. It's the best one, honestly, so that's what we used. And then you want to go ahead and spread the tomatoes, the canned tomatoes. So that's a very easy step. Just spread it evenly all over. Then you want to add some Italian herbs. And a little bit of cheese. Now we like a lot of cheese, so if you don't like that, just leave it with the mozzarella. Then you want to add the onion rings and the bell pepper rings. And as I said, I think it looks very pretty. Now you want to also add the garlic. You want to make sure you don't have too much of that in one spot. Then the chicken, or fake chicken in our case, and the mozzarella cheese. And last but not least, you want to just sprinkle a tiny little bit of olive oil. And then you're ready to bake with 200 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. And I really liked it. It's so delicious. I think it looks delicious as well. So I hope you give it a try. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.